Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. It's Artist. In today's video I'll be reviewing this Milwaukee M18 heat gun. This is the M18 BHG-0 model, so it's small and compact. I will go through all the features it has and stats of it a bit later. So, gun itself. And these are the bits it comes with, so your accessory bits. That's what they come with. Obviously you got the instructions, etc., all with it as well. This is the body only, so this is all your instructions, manuals you can read through. Through them. So let's get into the weighing the tool. I will use the 4-amp battery for that. So it's 3.241 pounds, 1.471 kilos with the 4-amp M18 battery, so which is quite light to be fair, which is good. It also has this hook, you can hook it, which is handy. So we'll go into the stats next, just to give you a rough idea what it has and hasn't got, and then we can dive into the actual practical and try to use it.
The Milwaukee M18 BHG is a cordless heat gun from Milwaukee's M18 battery platform. For the UK market, Milwaukee lists a maximum temperature of 470 degrees Celsius, with the tool reaching operational temperature in 6 seconds. The listed air volume is 170 liters per minute. Because it runs on the M18 battery system, it is mainly aimed at users who need a portable heat source for smaller on-site tasks, especially where access to mains power is inconvenient. The tool uses Milwaukee's RedLink overload protection electronics in both the tool and battery pack, along with individual battery cell monitoring to optimize runtime and support long-term battery durability. It is compatible with all Milwaukee M18 batteries. For practical use, the M18 BHG includes an integrated LED light, a durable ladder hook, and 2 supplied nozzles, a reduction nozzle for focusing heat on a specific area, and a reflector nozzle for applying heat around objects such as pipes.
Right, so we'll give it a test, actually, whether it works and how it works. I must say I have used it before, and I use it personally for drying some filler, just to get the job done. So, wall filler. But I've also used it on the worktops to get the edging off, and I'll show you that it does work. So let's clamp this piece, or maybe not. Right. Let's clamp this piece and then we can show you. Right, so as you can see, it gets the task done, whichever task you need it for. This is what I got it for. Obviously it comes also with the light, which I forgot to mention to you. So the pros, being small, cordless, it's versatile, so you can do, there's many applications you can do with it. Downside is the runtime on the smaller batteries. It's quite limited. So obviously, depending on the task, you might want to go with the higher capacity batteries. It's quite expensive, again, compared to its rivals. So, but if you got an M18 batteries, then that's no problem mostly. And yeah, it's just great for everyone really, because it's light, compact, etc. It would work for decorators, for carpenters, as you can see. in general, I'm quite impressed with the tool. The other downside is it doesn't have variable heat settings, so that's the thing which I would like to have, but it's quite simple and does the job, and you know your temperature ranges anyway, so yes, it would be nice to have that variable setting, but it is what it is, and for being what it is, I think it's quite a good tool. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch up in our next videos.